How to fix AIB App Error 500. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. For that, you can launch your settings, then enable for the option of airplane mode, wait for a few minutes, and then disable it. This will reset your network settings. Or else what you can do is click on the Wi-Fi option, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network, give a fresh restart your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, check for the updates. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app AIB. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, clear cache for the app. For that, launch the settings. Navigate to the option of General. Head over to the option iPhone Storage. Here you're going to find the list of the apps. Now find the app AIB and then click on Upload. Click on Upload. Then click on Reinstall. With that, your problem might be fixed. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on Delete App. With that, you'll get the pop-up. Click on Delete for the confirmation. Once you delete the app, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app, and then install it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix AIB App Error 500. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.